Welcome to this tutorial on creating classes and objects in Kotlin. Kotlin is a modern programming language that is designed to be concise and expressive. Let's start by creating our first Kotlin class. In Kotlin, classes are declared using the class keyword, followed by the class name. Notice that there are no semicolons in Kotlin, and the class definition is delimite by curly braces. Let's add some properties to our class. We have declared two properties in our class, propertion of type string and propertituo of type int. Let's create an object of our class. We have instantiated an object of our class using the new keyword and assigned it to the variable meObject. Now that we have an object of our class, let's access its properties. We access the properties of our object using the dot notation and print them to the console using the println function. Let's add a method to our class. In Kotlin, methods are declared inside the class definition and can access the properties of the class using this keyword. We have declared a method called myMethod that prints the values of the properties of our class to the console. Let's call the myMethod method of our object. We call our method using the dot notation, and the values of the class properties are printed to the console. Thanks for watching and happy coding!